The ICC rules says that the Arbitral Tribunal not only needs to establish the provisional timetable upon its formation, they also needs to get a so-called terms of reference drawn up and signed within 30 days upon receiving the case files from the Secretariat. The terms of reference is a document that includes, for instance, particulars of the parties and arbitrators, the place of arbitration, a summary of the party's case, particulars of the applicable procedural rules, and perhaps a list of issues to be decided by the tribunal. In practice, the terms of reference also include, for instance, jurisdiction challenge, if there is any, procedural history that led up to the preparation of the documents, and arbitration agreement.
The IBA guidelines consist of two basic parts. The first part formulates 7 general principles of impartiality, together with explanatory notes. The second part sets out specific types of potential conflicts in which issues of impartiality frequently arise. And here it categorizes such circumstances into forbidden, which are labeled red, permitted, which are labeled green, and other, which are labeled orange, which are arguable conflicts.
Final thing to discuss, the final ground for challenge of an appointment of an arbitrator is misconduct. Though misconduct may seem similar to default, it is quite different. Default has to do with the failure to act. Misconduct has to do with improper action, or action that is not improper action on the part of the arbitrator. If I were to give examples of incapacity as a fact, this would be physical or mental incapacity due to illness, accident, or such other events that prevents the arbitrator from acting.